We continue on Roman Candle Month with this Oriole candle by Sacred Arrow. Okay, a brand that I have not heard of, but I picked this up with a bunch of old Roman candles. Hello all, Wave Rider here, and we're going to try this out. Let's go look this up real quick. She's flaming balls. Yeah, nothing's new out of that. Warning sign. It's made in China. MG0. Okay. Fireworks. She went. Okay, there's nothing really special about this other than there's a bunch of happy faces on the label here, and it says Oriole candle. Oriole candle. Okay. So let's go give this a try. And again, here's the label of the manufacturer. See you guys outside. This is a Sing Bird Oriole, a 6-ball Roman candle by Sacred Arrow. Probably whistles. Yep, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more. There you go, 6. It's okay. I like it actually. It's not that loud, but it's great for the kids. Anyways, I'll see you guys later.